Hello, do you know your 8 times table? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So to save time, I've written out the 8 times table for you. What we're going to do is we're going to start by reading it, okay? So let's do that together. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Now the 8 times table is simply when you're counting in multiples of 8. So it goes 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 like that. It's just 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Now the best way to remember how to do your times tables is to cross off one number at a time, okay? So you see it and you cross off a number and then you repeat all of it and try and remember the missing number. So in this case, it would now go 8, 16, 24, yes, 32, 40, and so on. And you keep rubbing them all out until they're all gone. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!